Another beautiful sunny day in August. So heavy. So generally pretty good. Those little gashes there just from where I've had to freehand the last bit. So I'm obviously not very good at freehand. That's where I'm storing the smaller pieces at the moment. They don't seem to be twisted and they're quite straight. A few little high spots, but nothing the thickness I wouldn't get out. So they are ready to be stacked for seasoning. This half of the trunk has got really nice patination. So what I'm going to do with this one, I think I'm going to chop it in half lengthways and then roll these bits 90 degrees and cut these boards so that those are the face of the boards because they're lovely. That's the last big board I can get out of that piece. As you can see, there's nowhere else for the jig to screw into. I'll probably end up with quite a meaty bit of timber at the end that I can't cut any further with the jig and the chainsaw. That last one I cut was a slightly thinner board and I'm really pleased with that. They're just about all I can manage. Cutting those boards produces a hell of a lot of sawdust, like really a lot, as you can imagine. So the plan with this one, I'm going to cut a straight side down that side and probably on the other side. It's tricky trying to work out how to do it. So those boards that I pointed out have got that lovely pattern in them. which is a little bit like the flex in that piece there, and I really like that. Bang on, right. I don't want to put too many screws in if I don't need to. Well, it's really hot today. Humid. Very slight twist. Well, I'm going to carry on chopping that up and I won't bore you with it. I did find out that oak takes 3 years to season, and keep it in a cool, dry place, so out of the sun, otherwise it will dry too quickly and split. But bloody hell, 3 years. It's a long time to wait. But I'll make more videos when I actually do something with it, and I'll let you know what it's like. But that has been a success so far. I think I've got very usable timber using nothing but a chainsaw. Cheers for watching.